Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to recover your Gmail account. Okay, so let's get started. So first things first, open any of your favorite browser. Okay, so once you're here at your favorite browser, just expand it and you need to go for Gmail. So you can see here Gmail, just simply click on that. Okay. Okay, so once you have just opened your Gmail, you just have to wait until everything is ready. Okay, so in my case, I have just used and logged in my Gmail account. But in order to teach you how to recover, just simply click, I will just simply click this account icon and go for add account. Okay. So here you're being redirected to the signed in of your account. Now you need to input the Gmail that you want to recover. So let's for example how to fix, which is my account. Okay, so I will be going to the recommended one and go for next. Okay. So it asks you to input your password, but in your case you have just you forgot your password, so let's go for this try another way option. Okay. So once you selected that, it will appear three options here. Enter your password, use your passkey, try another way. And since again you have just forgotten your password, then let's continue to the third one, which is try another way to find more solutions and again go for try another way. Okay. So now they have just sent a notification to your phone. Okay, so if you have received a notification, just tap on yes to verify if it's you. Okay, so let's say you don't receive any notification in your phone, then let's proceed to try another way. And the moment you click on that, a verification code was just sent to your Gmail, a Gmail that you have set in your recovery account when you have just created your account. Okay, so let's say you haven't inputted any of the Gmail in the recovery, then let's proceed to the try another way option. Okay, so the moment you click on that, it will says here a signed in link will be sent to your Gmail in 6 hours. Okay. Google needs time to verify it's you making this request. If you don't see the Gmail after 6 hours, check your spam or junk folder. Okay. So you just have to wait 6 hours or within the 6 hours because the Google will be sending you a link to open your account. Okay. So here the Google will help you to recover your account. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully, you have just recovered your account using these steps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.